Hey guys, it's Crazy Comic Lady here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a piece from the one with the diamond art. Now on their website they've actually got a section that's called Imperfectly Perfect. So if you're looking to nab a bargain, you'll find a lot of discounted kits there that have been placed in that section for various reasons. This particular kit, the description said, "I was ordered and unwanted," which of course melted my heart because it was a picture that was already in my wish list, so I had to get it. So I asked the one with the diamond art who the artist was and where this was licensed from, and they told me that it was licensed through a third party and that the user was actually called 58 Pick. So I did do a reverse image search on this to see if we could work out who the actual artist was, but I couldn't actually find any results. But I did have a go, but it is legally licensed through a third party. So we're just gonna have a quick look at the toolkit, which comes with a diamond painting pen, very standard, a tray with some lovely washi tape that you can use to section off your canvas. It's got little teddy bears on that one. A tray, we've got some multi-placers, we've got some tweezers, just plain black ones, we've got some wax, pink wax, a squishy for your pen, and some multi-placers right there. So that's what came in the toolkit. Now this is actually a round kit that I purchased, so I'm unlikely to need the tweezers, but they do seem to send them with both their round kits and their square kits. But the bit you'll be most looking forward to seeing is what I got. So the name of this piece is Bubble Goldfish. It's so cute. We had problems with the goldfish that we got last year. It didn't last very long. It came from a fair, but I just thought it was very appropriate when I saw this. And we got a fish tank with other fish and stuff now. So anyway, these are all the drills. That comes with a legend on the inside. There's a lot of blues and purples and very pretty. Now the edges have been, looks like they've been scalloped to try and prevent fraying, so that looks good. So we're gonna have a quick look to see if there's any symbols we might potentially mix up on this canvas. So nothing's jumping out at me. Possibly this E and this F, depending on how well it's been printed on the actual canvas. And yeah, it should be all right. Oh, down here, that's going to be problematic. You've got a light B on a blue background, and then you've got a D on a light blue background. So that could be problematic on that. But we'll see if we can find them on the canvas in a second. Have a quick look, see if we can spot any of the A's and the B's. Yeah, they're up here. So hopefully it looks like there's quite a good distinguished line. So you've got the B's over here, and you've got the D's over here. But that is something definitely to watch out for if you do purchase the same kit. So we'll have a quick look at the drills and the legend. Now, if you buy a kit from brand new from them, you'll often get the choice of regular diamonds, or you can have ABs included. It's typically an extra couple of pounds. So ABs stand for Aurora Borealis, which is a more sparkly coloured drill, which is a special drill. This kit doesn't come with any ABs, but let's see if we can get into this packet, and I'll just show you the other drills anyway. Sorry for the crinkling noises. Pause if you hate the noise of crinkly bags. Okay. Have a look at these. This is the legend that comes with it. So I find these very helpful because I like to see which drills I've already got in my collection of spare drills, and typically I will mix them together to save storage space. So there's your legend. We've got 35 colours, so that's not too bad. That's quite an easy, manageable one. This kit is also a 40 by 50, so it's, get it all on frame there. It's quite small. I imagine it will work up pretty quickly because we've got a lot of colour blocking around here. Colour blocking is where you're placing multiple drills at a time, and it tends to go very quickly. The alternative is confetti, which is where you have a lot of small changes in an area. So there's quite a lot of confetti, well, a small amount of confetti around here, and a tiny bit down here. There's quite a lot of colour changes in a small area. That's what we refer to as as confetti. So have a nice look at the drills, all these colours. I love pinks. Pinks are my favourite colour. Typically, drills, if there's going to be an issue with drills, it will most likely be in the darker colours, specifically in blacks, which I don't think we have a black in this kit. But these look very nice quality. There's a really big bag of 791 there. So on their website, it does say that they use resin drills, and these look pretty resin-like to me. Typically with resin drills, you won't get as much trash or defects. Sorry, hold it actually under the camera might be appropriate. You're not likely to get as many trash and defects with resin drills as you would with acrylic type drills. So there we go. Look at all these pretty colours. So many pinks. I love pinks. So yeah, that'll be fun to work up. I hope this video was perhaps helpful for you and let you know about their discount art section on their website, the Imperfectly Perfect collection. You'll often find a lot of great deals under there. I also want to point out that recently I've discovered that they also license from artists who are now using AI art. So I know that is a big, people have a lot of strong opinions on AI art. So if that's something that is really important to you, I always recommend checking the artist description on the website and actually read through their bio to see if they are using AI art or not. Because I didn't know that at the time when I originally purchased all my kits from them, but I just wanted to make people aware because it's not blindingly obvious. But yeah, they also license art directly from the artists themselves. They also do a lot of third-party licensing for certain kits as well. So there's a big selection. There's hopefully something for everyone. So yeah, if this video was helpful for you in any way, can you please give it a like on your way out? And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye!